Hello, hello, hello. Part 2 of the little Peugeot with a broken smile. We've got fantastic weather again. It does look like I'm in the same place. I'm not. This is another day. This is Sunday. Still sunny. Right. So I'm going to put you on the tripod and we're going to take that bumper off. So this episode might be a touch longer than the previous few, just because it is what it is, guys. I want you to see exactly what I'm doing. So anyway, tripod time. Right, guys. Just dropping in quickly before I start oiking it apart. If you haven't seen part 1, I'll put the link down there. Have a look at part 1 because I wasn't sure whether the aircon was going to work. Because if you've seen the aircon condenser, the radiator that sits at the front, you'll see it's bent and mangled. But anyway, just checked it and it works. So that's another win for the customer, really. If it works, we don't touch it. We're going to bring Jack in. He's my little helper today. So you're going to see him running around. So come here, Jack. Stand here, look. Hey! Jack, he's back. He's the little man, the little helper. He's going to help me do this front end now. So we're going to come off talking, and Jack's going to help me with our tools, and we're going to get this front bumper off. So there we go, guys. Let's have it. Right, guys, I'm sure you got to see plenty of my rear end then. I do apologise, sometimes you just have to lean right under and get some of them bolts hard. To be fair, it's been an absolute dream to take apart. Nothing's been too drastic, shall we say. So, they're the parts I've removed. You've seen the bumper. Bumper's absolutely trashed. So, new bumper needed. We can reuse the fog lights. They're okay. but it's, for me, it's just a bit too far gone to have complete confidence in it. So this is the plastic support bar that goes underneath. As you can see, it's in a few different pieces. This is another metal support bar, goes underneath the vehicle, totally unbent, totally undamaged, which is absolutely phenomenal. Well chuffed with that. And the car, the best bit. So we're down underneath now. Screen wash bottle, absolutely fine. Aircon pipes haven't been touched. Now I'm well surprised at this. It's not damaged where my glove is. Clips still intact. Nothing's bent underneath. Now the only damage I can see is the aircon rad. It's slightly been pushed up. As you can see, it's just sat out of them. So if I can poke jiggery without, if it gets too far, I'll evacuate the gas in a safe and legal process. Letting aircon gas out into the atmosphere, particularly this one, R134A, is illegal, so don't do it. So it's still got gas, still works, which I'm well surprised by. So I'll put this to the customer, and it's up to them what they do. But as far as it needs, plastic support bar, bumper, even all the like arch linings have come off perfectly. There's a couple of cable ties that look like they've previously been done in this corner. Other than that, guys, we're stripped down, ready to go and try and find some parts. So obviously we're going to go second hand. So it'd be nice to get a bumper off a 207 in the black colour that this is. Get it all sorted. So if any of you guys out there know of any 207s being broken and are willing to send a black bumper in good condition with grill and everything to Lincoln, that'd help me out massively. So obviously messages and all that, chuck the comments down below. So this is episode 2, stripping down of the vehicle. I know it's sometimes really hard to show. There's a lot of weird angles you've got to get to, but the car itself is not a bad nick underneath, as you've seen. So that's part 2, guys. See you in the next one. Hopefully I'm going to have some parts ready to start bolting stuff back together and lining stuff up. Thanks for coming along, guys. Part 1 will be in the description if you want to catch up with what's going on. Take care. Have a safe weekend. See you soon.